He was one of the most destructive figures in human history, yet his rise began not with power, but with failure. Adolf Hitler was born in 1889, far from the centers of influence that would later define his life. As a young man, he dreamed of becoming an artist. Twice, he applied to art school in Vienna. Twice, he was rejected. Those failures pushed him into poverty, loneliness, and growing resentment. Vienna became the place where disappointment hardened into extreme beliefs, quietly shaping the man he would become. Everything changed with World War I. Hitler volunteered for the German army and found purpose for the first time. The war gave him identity and belonging. When Germany lost, he didn't see defeat as military failure, but as betrayal. That belief burned deeply into him and became the foundation of his worldview. After the war, Germany was broken, humiliated, and desperate. In that chaos, Hitler discovered his greatest weapon, his voice. He was not an intellectual or strategist, but he understood emotion. He spoke directly to fear, anger, and wounded pride. Crowds didn't just hear him, they felt him. Slowly, his influence grew. In 1923, he tried to seize power by force. The attempt failed, and he was sent to prison. But prison became a turning point. Instead of abandoning his ambitions, he refined them. He decided that power would not be taken with bullets, but through law, propaganda, and manipulation. When he returned, he rebuilt his image carefully. Economic collapse helped him. Millions were unemployed, hopeless, and angry. Hitler presented himself as a savior. By 1933, he was appointed chancellor. Within months, democracy was dismantled. Opposition vanished. Fear became normal. What followed reshaped the world. A totalitarian state, a global war, and a genocide driven by ideology. Hitler rarely saw the camps himself, yet his beliefs powered them. As defeat closed in, his decisions grew more reckless. Reality no longer mattered. In 1945, with Berlin in ruins, Adolf Hitler ended his life underground. His story is not just about evil. It is about how failure, fear, and unchecked anger can reshape history. Because the most dangerous leaders often begin as forgotten men.